Hi everyone, it's Jean Hansen, co-founder of myhousecleaningbiz.com and Marketing Systems by Design. So one of the questions we get quite often from our members and from some of our members of our Facebook groups is, do you have any marketing ideas that I can use to get clients really fast? I really need to grow my business right now, and I just, everything I do doesn't seem to work. How do I get clients faster? Well, first of all, it's really difficult, especially if you're just starting out, to start from scratch and just immediately start getting a lot of clients. Unless you actually get lucky and you happen to connect with someone that is right now looking for a cleaning service, you have to put a lot of hustle and work into marketing your business. And the way things are these days, with everybody on social media and online doing searches, there are so many different ways that you can connect with people and that people can find your business. You really need to be putting a lot of effort into many different channels, right? So I'm going to talk about a few of those channels right now. So number one is you have to have a website. Okay, there's just no getting around it these days, but it's more than just popping up this website, going to GoDaddy and using one of their templates and just using some generic text that says we provide quality cleaning, blah, blah, blah. You got to figure out what it is that you do better than anybody else in your community, what you do better than your competitors, what makes you different. Because if you just have this random run-of-the-mill website that you really haven't put a whole lot of thought into, that doesn't have any really good calls to action to get them to take action, that doesn't have any reviews from happy customers, it's just a blah website. What's going to happen is when they do find your website, or maybe you meet them in person, you direct them to the website, whatever it is, they're going to go there and they're probably going to bounce off right away. I see this all the time. So make sure that you have a website that will convert. Tell your story. The about page for me is really important, and people don't utilize that tool. Put your face on it. I don't care if you feel like you don't take a good picture. You've got to put your face on it, and you've got to tell your story. And if you've got a team, put their face on it too. Take a group shot in front of a company vehicle or in front of your office, or you've got to personalize it. People want to know who they're doing business with, especially when it comes to hiring a house cleaning company, because so many of you are not doing in-home estimates anymore. You're just doing online quotes, and people are going to let you into their homes sight unseen. You've got to personalize your website. You've got to have some good calls to action. You've got to differentiate your business. Okay. Number two is to have content that speaks to the client and the prospects, right? So this goes along with the website. Now content can be in different places. So when we talk about content on your website, I'm talking about what I just mentioned with the about page and so forth. You can also have a blog which answers a lot of the questions that people have. So a blog is just kind of an ongoing thing that you can do, and I know that it's very intimidating to a lot of people. It's something that we do for our clients as part of a marketing package. But when you think about blogging, you don't want to just put content out there for the sake of putting content out there. You've got to be thinking about what would people be searching for. We just did a blog post regarding some of the questions that people don't think to ask when they are researching a cleaning company. And so, and I'm talking about things like, what kind of training do you give your employees? Things like that they probably wouldn't even think of. So the content that you generate needs to be, you need to do a little keyword research around what people are searching for so that you can be found for that content. And that content has to be optimized for SEO, or search engine optimization. There's a lot of different things you can do along those lines. Don't just plop out like a 300-word generic blog post. That's not going to do you a whole lot of good. Okay, so next is social media. Now, most of you, probably the most effective platform for you to be on is Facebook. And of course, you're going to have your personal page. You can create your business page. But as most of you, I'm sure, are aware, Facebook is no longer showing your posts that you put on your business page to all of the people that may have liked your business. So, they're giving limited views because they want you to pay for that exposure. So my recommendation there is that you do post occasionally on your Facebook page because you need to keep it current. You don't want people going and checking you out and see that there's no activity. Maybe you haven't posted for 2 or 3 years. I see this a lot. You do want to have current posts. However, if you're going to put a budget behind it, then there's different options that you can do. You can certainly boost posts, which is a quick and easy way to do it, but you can also do Facebook ads. I don't recommend that you just try and figure it all out yourself unless maybe you're a beginner, you've got the time to do it and really research the right way to do it. Otherwise, I would recommend hiring someone that has experience with that. The next thing that I think is really important to help convert clients and do it quicker than probably what your competitors are doing is using video on your website and in your social media. And there's different things that you can do with video. Certainly you could do demonstrations. This is how we approach cleaning a kitchen or a bathroom. And you can actually give them the visual of how you would go about cleaning their different parts of their home. But what's really more powerful is to get people on camera talking about your business. Obviously, getting your clients to talk about your business on camera is such a great way to convert people who are on the fence, who, maybe they're comparing you to a competitor and they're wondering, maybe your price came in a little bit higher and they're weighing the difference, like, who do I choose? Well, if you've got testimonials and your clients on camera saying wonderful things about you and your competitor doesn't, that's going to convert them to you more than likely. The other thing is actually getting your employees on camera. How would it look to your prospects if you had employees talking about why they love working for your company? I mean, these are the people that they're letting into their home to actually clean. And if they can see the faces, they can see how engaged they are with their job, they're going to love that, right? Okay, so moving on, along with the having people on camera talking about your business, just getting reviews. So take a look at your Google My Business page first of all. I'm sure most of you have already claimed your Google My Business page, but make sure that you fill it out completely. Don't just put a link to your website, your hours, and your phone number, and maybe your address, but they give you a lot of different things to fill out. Make sure that you are uploading custom photos of your business, your team at work, before and after pictures. Don't just grab generic pictures off the internet. And then most importantly, start getting reviews on your Google My Business page. First of all, it's going to help you with ranking. If you do all of these things, it's going to help you with your rankings on the map. And that's a whole nother topic as far as getting on the map listings, but it's right on top of the organic listings, so you want to be able to rank in the maps. But those reviews are becoming more and more important. People are looking for reviews. How many times do you go shopping for anything these days without checking out reviews? I mean, it's really getting important. So, getting those reviews, the companies that tend to have more reviews and good reviews are the ones that are getting the clients. 2 more. So ask for referrals from your clients. The people that love you, the people that give you those rave reviews, ask them for referrals. Do you have any friends or families or neighbors that might be looking for our service as well? So, most people are afraid to ask for reviews. They're afraid that they're intruding, but it can't hurt to ask, right? And people that love you, they're going to think of you. If you simply ask them, sure, they may not know anybody right now, but down the road, if somebody's looking or, thinking about hiring someone, they're going to say, oh, I love this cleaning company, and they're going to refer you. And finally, just circling back to your website, start building an email list. So have a way to capture the prospect's information when they're on your website. So maybe they're not ready today, maybe they're just checking you out, but you have like a pop-up on your website that says, sign up for special offers and so forth, or sign up for, $100 off a cleaning. And you know, we have clients that do something like sign up for 5 services, get your 6th cleaning free, get $25 off your first cleaning, things like that. So have that kind of offer so that when people sign up for that, now you can start marketing to them. Okay, so start building that email list so that you have people to market to. And you can capture those people that may have been on your website, thought about it, and then left and then forgot where they were, right? So those are a few tips of the different things that you can do to get marketing clients fast. You know, nothing is super fast these days, but if you're doing a lot of different things, the more you are out there, you're getting exposure, eventually you're going to start picking up some momentum. So hopefully those gave you some good ideas for marketing ideas to get clients fast. And be sure to check out Marketing Systems by Design, which is our marketing agency. If any of these things feel kind of overwhelming to you, we do a lot of this stuff for our clients. So be sure to go to marketingsystemsbydesign.com. We do have a free checkup, marketing checkup, that you can fill out. So go under free stuff and look for that. If you are also looking for resources to help your cleaning company grow, check out our site, myhousecleaningbiz.com. Not only do we offer resources for marketing your business, but we've got resources for starting your business, scaling your business, dealing with employee issues, and all those fun things that you need to know about running a business. Thanks and have a great day. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and share the video, and subscribe if you haven't yet to get more tips and training for growing your cleaning business. Also, if you are struggling to get more clients for your cleaning business or feel like you've run out of people to talk to, be sure to check out our free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning businesses. If you'd like to check that out, click on the link below this video to access it.